This is Oppo opening the transmission, no shifting. Nangangahoy po siya sa kabila. Then
Brother, give number 8 box. Number 8.
Right?
Number 8 box and I hope
these things for the first gear, and we open again second. Master Oppo checking the valve body opening. He is too much sweat because of his nut bolt not open barabar. What name this one? Valve.
this one vacuum.
Vacuum.
The pump over.
And this is Kuya Robert
Pump.
holding the pump.
I will kill you.
We are here in garage.
How many speed is it? 8 speed? 6 speed.
And 6 speed. Now they are opening the valve body, while Oppo is serious, the master of the mechanical.
Master voting.
Now coming up slowly, and that's it.
How many bulbs have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There's
This one problem.
marble there.
This gear. This one problem. Inside.
The doctor said Oppo has a problem. And
Oh.
Why moving?
they are opening slightly, carefully, so that the
Where am I?
bolt
No
is
problem.
good.
Give one cup. Teacup.
Pick up? Ah.
This is
Now
Take another
almost
video,
opening.
Another video.
Huh?
Another one tech video.
3 minutes.
Almost 3 minutes.
Okay.